Jagore bar migao mochung'ne wuok kar donje pacho ka Julius Bitok dhi nyime kod choko pach jopiny ewi kadi moyiedhi mong'ere kaka Maisha Card. Bitok kawuono obago romo kod apisas mag sirikal kama oting'o county commissioners kod regional commissioners ewi ndikruok kod choko pach jopiny ewi kad mar Maisha. Jatelono yango ni piny owacho ochano choko pach jopiny e counties opogore opogore ka ojiwo apisasgo mondo omi okony e tawo okenge mag sirikal eneo ne jopiny oyudo ler moromo ewi kadi mar Maisha. Nyaka sani jopiny maromo 1.6 osendikore ne kadno ka maromo 400,000 mapok okawo odiwo e apise mopogore opogore mag piny owacho.
Of public participation. Like for example, the reason why we had this forum today is because we want to consolidate our public participation using Ngao. But it's the very reason why Kenyans are also going to court. So it is back and forth. But we are saying we are doing our best to comply and to ensure that we do everything that is required by court. In fact, some of the feedback we get from our Ngao officials on the ground is what we are going to present to court as evidence that these are the things we have done. We have done that before with 820 forums, which Ngao ran, and we are still going to continue with it. The minister also gazetted the new charges last year. For new applications, they pay 300 shillings. But the cost of the card, of this card, is about 700 shillings. But the government has subsidized. Now you pay 300. But when you lose the card and you want to replace it, the gazetted charges are 1,000 per card. So anybody applying for duplicates will pay 1,000. But all new applications, it is subsidized. They are paying 300.